One of the most important things to do after you've been involved in a motor vehicle crash is actually call the police. Oftentimes people want to just exchange information, but it's very important to call the police so that a written crash report is written up. The police will obtain all the information they can from that person, including their name, vehicle registration number, and their insurance. Second very important thing to do, if you are able to, is to take pictures, take video, take photographs of the scene, of the vehicles involved. That can also be important information you need to bring a case. Additionally, important information would be to get any witnesses that saw the crash. That can be very important down the line, especially if the other party is disputing what happened. The next important thing to do is to seek medical treatment. It could be going to an emergency room or an urgent care shortly after the crash, or it could be even going to see an orthopedic doctor or a chiropractor a few days after the crash occurred. Many times after you're involved in a traumatic event like a car crash, you don't feel the pain immediately. It's important you see a doctor so you can make sure it's nothing too serious and correct things that can be fixed through medical treatment. And then the final thing that we think is equally important is to get a free consultation from a lawyer. There's a lot of things that are going to happen after a crash. You might get contacted by insurance companies, investigators. It's important that before you speak to anyone, you speak to a lawyer so you understand your rights, and if you decide to hire one, they can guide you and assist you and fight for you through that process.